In this video, you'll discover simple and effective ways to make money that anyone can try. For those aiming to generate passive income and reach $10,000, this video will serve as a guide. Common challenges people face when trying to make extra money are the lack of time, insufficient resources, and loss of motivation. You don't need to be an expert or make large investments to start earning money. What matters is using the right strategies and being patient. The first method is freelancing. By offering your skills online, you can take on project-based work and earn money while managing your time. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are great places to get started. The second method is affiliate marketing. Promote other people's products or services and earn a commission for each sale made through your unique link. You can promote products on social media, through blogs, or even in video content. The third method is e-commerce. You can sell products on platforms like Amazon or eBay. The key to success in e-commerce is finding a profitable niche and providing excellent customer service. However, many people fail because they don't stick with one method long enough to see results. Instead, focus on one method and stay consistent to achieve success. One of the most effective ways to make money is by creating and selling online courses. If you have expertise in a particular field, you can create a course and sell it on platforms like Udemy. In conclusion, making extra money doesn't require genius. It's all about being open-minded and consistent. By focusing on these three methods, freelancing, affiliate marketing, and e-commerce, anyone can start earning extra income. Lastly, I encourage you to share your own money-making tips in the comments and check out other videos on the channel.